We have stopped at the Revati Nakshatra. You have taken notes of Revati. You understand some people do not much care nakshatra and all that to explain or to do. Some because they take it belongs to the purview of astrology and all that. No, you observe even the nakshatras are being governed by the gods, Vedic gods. So Vedic gods have got their rupa, their influence in all things that are popular contemporary times also. That is most you should know, because generally when you do sacrifice, you remember Vedic gods, you remember them to invite and feed and all that. But many people do not do it because the time when sacrifice was the be all and end all in the history became little. So change is there. Everywhere change. Nowadays people have changed a lot. All the dharma kriyas are being electronically done or online doing. Even the purohits are online. So everything has become electronic, and gods have got to tolerate because they are not responsible. There is the power of nature. So the nature takes its own toll upon the people. What is nature? Panchabhutatmaka. Agni, Vayu, Surya, Chand. All these people which are from the Agni, the nature, that will take. Now you must have read in news in America, in this California, the wildfire is occupying most some areas, Oregon City and all that. And because of such a great wild forest fire, the Akasha has turned reddish. And other places there is a lot of smoke. And people are just leaving their houses, running away with whatever that they have, because all are wooden houses, they are being burnt. But that is to say that at any instance of life and at anything of our life connected, there is the intervention and grace and operational excellence of the gods. So, no, my nakshatra is different. No, your nakshatra is also governed. Now we are going to the Ashwini nakshatra. And what is the Ashwini nakshatra? The Ashwini Devatas have taken the rulership of the Ashwini nakshatras. Actually, Ashwini, Bharani, these are the two prime nakshatras or beginning nakshatras with which the Jodaic sign begins. And Ashwini, Bharani occupy the first two houses of the Bhachakra or the Jodaic signs, Mesham, Rishabham, Mithunam and so on. So, but in the Yajurveda, the order has gone. What was last two became the first two in astrological considerations. So they say Ashwini, Bharani, Kritika, etc. That is the order of the nakshatras. But the order of the nakshatras in the Yajurveda, and also we have got in the Atharvaveda, Nakshatra Sukta is there in the Atharvaveda also. But only whatever it is, the order of the stars only matters to have changed. Because the order changes and the effect also changes. Probably in Saundarya Lahari, 32, 33 slokas, there is a description of the Sri Vidya, Panchadashari Maha, Bija Mantras. Depending upon the combination of the Bijaksharas, different Sri Vidya mantras have come forth. There are 15 Sri Vidya Upasakas who are acknowledged, no, there are 12 are acknowledged, and there are Bijaksharas, 12, each Adhipati, one Bijakshara, plus 3 more, Hrim, 3 times offered, it becomes a Panchadashakshari Mahamantra. Why I am going away from Veda? Because the Sri Vidya is also a Brahma Vidya, like Gayatri Vidya or Gayatri Mantra Anusthana, and the Shankaracharya and all the later on Sri Vidya experts and Upasakas have come to the suggestion that if you recite 33rd sloka or so of Saundarya or Sri Vidya Mantra Panchadashari, it is as good as equal to reciting Gayatri Mantra 10 times. If you want to save time and all that. Gayatri mantra, no doubt people say Gayatri of Param Mantram, but people have taken some kind of independence in talking about the priorities. Every individual has got their own priorities. The priority list varies. But the Srividyopasakas have given priority for the Panchadasakshari Mahamantra, and they try to say it is even more powerful than Gayatri. What is Srividya? Srividya is Lalita Parameswari. And Gayatri, Savitri, Sannutayai Namo Namaha. In Lalita Sahasranamam, you see that Lalita Parameswari is being praised by Gayatri, Savitri, and also Mahalakshmi. See, Koti Koti Viravrutayai Namo Namaha. Kamala Koti. Kamala is Lakshmi. Kamala Koti Koti Sevitayai Namo Namaha. So many Lakshmis are under our service and all that. So anyway, our Vedic religion or our Hindu religion is so flexible and it's variable. You must note that. My professor used to say, it is variable. That means the position or appointment or authority that has been given to gods is not sustained all through the literature. Their position has changed very much. That's what we see. Our Vedic mythology or Hindu mythology is open for variation. So like that, here, and even Vedic gods are there as the rulers, as the primary things for the respective nakshatras. Because just like the Tara is a whole word. And Tara Gana, you got that the stardom or asterism they call it. In the Nakshatra Mandala, we have the categorization and choices being given to us. Therefore, and Aswini and Bharani are very important nakshatras, but they are taken to us in the last ones. And the Nakshatra Sukta concludes with the Amavasya praise. Because zero, what is Amavasya? Zero. We are all now heading towards, or we are learning the Mahalaya Amavasya. So that means all Pitru Devatas have got a lot of anxiety looking after the respective wants living upon the earth. What they want is some kind of tarpanam and some kind of food. Because I told you that the Pitru Loka is very much dry, sushka. So whenever that some water, that tarpana is given, they become immensely happy. And also I told you, but actually tarpanas have got to be done sometimes by some people with wet cloths. Because anything wet is very much comfortable for the Pitru Devatas, because they always be in the dry places. So, you may say that, no, Nakshatra Sukta is not for me, not important, nothing. All Veda Suktas are meant for the prosperity, well-being or human welfare and animal welfare and all those things. Therefore, you need not even be born in the same nakshatra, but you have friends who are born in other nakshatras also. Therefore, their safety and security is also equally important. As much important is your safety and security. Therefore, that's why we call it as the friendly associateship is there. Om Tadasvinav Asvayujopayatam. Good. Shubham Ganishthau Suyamebhirasvai Swam Nakshatragum Havishaya Jantau Madhva Sampruptau Yajusha Samattau Yau Devanam Bhishajau Havyavahau Visvasya Dhutau धूतावमृतस्य गोपौ तौ नक्षत्रं जुजुषाणोपयाताम् नमोऽश्विभ्यां कृणमो अश्वयुभ्याम् अपपाप्मानम् भरणीर्भरन्तु तद्यमो राजा भगवान् विचष्टाम् लोकस्य राजा महतो महान् हि सुगम नः पन्थामभयं कृणोतु यस्मिन् नक्षत्रे यम एते राजा यस्मिन्नेनमभ्यषिञ्चन्त देवाः तदस्य चित्रगुम् हविषा यजाना अपपाप्मानम् भरणीर्भरन्तु. So look at these two nakshatras, how beautiful it is. Ashwini is the wife of the Ashwini Devatas. The name of the wife of her Ashwins are Ashwini. So male people are called Ashwin. Female name is called Ashwini. So these two names are there in vogue. You must be having friends by name Ashwini and Ashwin. And Ashwath will be a tree name. So while naming, people take the names of the gods, names of the tree gods, and so on. So here, Ashwini is the wife of the Ashwins. And the Ashwini Nakshatra people are very well known for number of good qualities. I don't know any one of you here or your friends may be there of Ashwini Nakshatra, because that belongs to Mesha Rasi. In astrologically, that belongs to Mesham. Mesha is the first one, and the lord of Mesham is Kuja, Mar planet. Therefore, all that Mar planets, Mar qualities also will be there in the Ashwini Nakshatra people. And we only want to count the positive ones, because there are many negative things and minus points, but them we don't much consider. But in the Ashwini, the lord of the Ashwini Nakshatra is Ketu, and the Ashwins who are they are the divine physicians. They are the gods, they are the doctors for the gods. Then you will question, do gods suffer? Yes, they get papam. They also got ailments. Oh, the problem with the gods is, Nandan, they don't die, but they suffer. Because they drank Amrita Rasa, their death is postponed. But they get all kinds of problems. So that's why I don't want to become a god. People say that, it's true. God has more problems than humans. Our human problems are limited comparatively. And the Sankata is too much with the gods. And among them, Mahavishnu is the worst sufferer. Sankata bandre Venkatramana anta heltivi. Yarige barutte? Namgalla avrige barutte Sankata. Because Bhayakrut Bhayanasanaha alva. A Bhaya andre avana hatra tumba ide. He has got a good treasury of Bhayam. ಆ ಟ್ರೆಸರಿ ಆಫ್ ಭಯನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವನಿಗೂ ಭಯ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನೇ ನಾಶನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಮಾಡೋವನಿಗೆ ಬರೀ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕೊಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನರ್ಗೆ. ದ ಚೀಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ದ ಟೀಚರ್ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಭಯಕೃತ್ ಭಯ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರಕ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಪೇಪರ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ And moreover, whatever qualities are there in the horse, all those quickness, susaptihi, saptihi andre kudre, gurram, the horse. What is it known for? Speed. The anatomy of the horse is so designed by Paramatma that however many miles that the horse runs, it doesn't get tired. The heart is quite different. Human heart cannot run like that, whereas animal heart, especially horse, can run miles. That's why we talk about the horse power. You understand? You always measure the power in terms of horse. You cannot measure the power in terms of cat power, dog power, no power at all. So you have the horse power. That's why they are very much swift, energetic, and all that is there. And they are also healers, miracle makers, and they will work for others good, and number of good qualities are there. And therefore, the first line of the mantra, you see, that therefore asvinau asvayujau upayatam. Upayatam andre ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಯಜ್ಞಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಅಶ್ವಿ ದೇವತೆಗಳು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಬೇಕು? How they should come upon the horses. Tat asvayujau asvinau asvayujau. Yuj means harnessed with the horses. So in Jatka Bandi they have to come to you. Horse drawn vehicle. And moreover, who are they? Notice second line, I hope you know. Upayatam means come nearer, come to the sacrificial hall. Shubham gamishtau suyame bhirasvai. See, Shubham gamishtau, movement, safe journey, travel. And they will have safe travel. And with such horses, which are well regulated, well disciplined, well trained. Asvaihi suyamebhihi. So Yama is controlled, well trained and disciplined. With such horses, because horses also are of different type. So you must have a well trained horses. And swam nakshatragum havishaya jantau. Why they should come to your sacrificial horse? Because what nakshatra you belong, that nakshatra shanti or nakshatra homa is being done. And while homa, the yajamana is giving the havis, offerings. How are the offerings? Yajusha samaktau madhva sampraktau. The oblations offered are quite sweet, are quite shrestha. Madhva andre artha shrestha anta. ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠವಾದ ಆಹುತಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. And not simply giving the offerings, but also accompanied by the mantras, Yajurveda mantras. Because the Yajurveda tells us that you should not offer a flower or offering or anything like that without accompanying a mantra for that. See, sumne ಒಂದು ಹೂವು ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ it is not offering. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಮಂತ್ರದಿಂದ ಪುಷ್ಪ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಆವಾಗ ಮಂತ್ರ ಪುಷ್ಪ ಅಂತ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಥ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ಸ್ ತರ ಇರತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೆವರ್ ಆಫರ್ ಟು ಗಾಡ್, ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಆಫರ್ ಟು ದಿ, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಆರ್ ಪತ್ರಂ, pushpam, and also anything it is, you should have the mantram. That's why yajusha samaktau. No Vedic people ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ you should always tell that. ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನಂದ್ರೆ ಮಂತ್ರ ಪುಷ್ಪ. ಪುಷ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5. The pushpa means 5. What is that 5? ಪಂಚೇಂದ್ರಿಯಗಳು, ನಮ್ಮ ಜ್ಞಾನೇಂದ್ರಿಯಗಳಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಮಂತ್ರ ಪುಷ್ಪವನ್ನ ಅರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜ್ಞಾನೇಂದ್ರಿಯಗಳ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಸರೆಂಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ದೇವರಿಗೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಂತಃಕರಣ ಶುದ್ಧಿವಾಗಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಫರಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಮಂತ್ರ ಪುಷ್ಪ ಫಲ, ನಾಗೇಂದ್ರ ಅವರೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸರೆಂಡರಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ ಪಂಚೇಂದ್ರಿಯಾಸ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಿ ಫೀಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಗಾಡ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶಬ್ದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಂಚ ಶಬ್ದ ಸ್ಪರ್ಶ ರೂಪ ರಸಗಂಧ ಒಂದು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ದಿ ಜ್ಞಾನೇಂದ್ರಿಯಗಳಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಕಣ್ಣು, ಕಿವಿ, ನಾಲಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ, ಈ 5 ಇಂದ್ರಿಯಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ದೇವ್ರ ಅಹಂಕಾರ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಅದೇನು ಮನೋಬುದ್ಧಿ ಅಹಂಕಾರ ಚಿತ್ತ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಪುಷ್ಪ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಆಫರಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಫ್ಲವರ್. ಎ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್, ವಾಟರ್, ಮೆನ್ಯೂರ್, ಸನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೂನ್. ಪಂಚವಸ್ತುಗಳಿಂದ ತಯಾರಿ ಆಗಿರುವುದು ಪುಷ್ಪ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ science behind all that. So here we are just describing madhva sampraktau yajusha samaktau. Who are these gods? Who are the Ashwini devatas? Yau devanam bhishajau. They are the physicians for the gods. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಫಿಸಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್, ದೇವತೆಗಳ ಫಿಸಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ದೇವತೆಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಲೇಡಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬೇಕು, ದೇವತೆಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಲೇಡಿ ನರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಆ ಲೇಡಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರು ಲೇಡಿ ನರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ. ಭಿಷಕ್, ಭಿಷಜೌ, ಭಿಷಜಃ. ಭಿಷಕ್ is singular, ಭಿಷಜೌ is ದ್ವಿವಚನ. And so ಭಿಷಜೌ, who are the ವಿಶ್ವಹವ್ಯವಹೌ. They are the conveyors of the medicine, conveyors of the food, conveyors of all oblations to all the gods. And again, ಈ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಶ್ವಸ್ಯ ದೂತೌ. They are the messengers of the whole universe. ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ದೇವತೆಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ಅಶ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗದೆ ಇದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಅಶ್ವಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆರ್ ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಎನಿವೇ ದಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಪವರ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೀಂಗ್ ದಿ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ್ಯಾಮ್. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ದಿ ವಿಶ್ವಸ್ಯ ದೂತೌ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಮೃತಸ್ಯ ಗೋಪೌ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಶಕ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕಟ್ಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವನು ಪೇನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ he has to repair them and make it all right. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ, ಆಸು ಪತ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಆಸು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಗಳು, ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಹೀಲಿಂಗ್, 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಗ, ದಿ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ವೇರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರಾಣಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೋಮ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸುಪತ್ರಿ. So here Vishwasya Dutau and Amrutasya Gopau. Gopa means protectors, rulers and caretakers. So ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರುವ ದೇವತೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಅಮೃತವನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡವರು ಮಹಾನುಭಾವರು ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ದೇವತೆಗಳು, ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ದೇವತೆಗಳು. ತೌ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಂ ಜುಜುಷಾಣೋ ಉಪಯಾತಾಂ. ಓ ಮಹಾನುಭಾವಲ್ಲಾರ, ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ದೇವತಾಸ್, you please take hold of the Ashwini Nakshatra, accepting your stay in the Ashwini Nakshatra, accepting your overlordship in the Nakshatra. Ashwini Nakshatradalli ನಿಮ್ಮ overlordship ಅನ್ನು ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ, ಉಪಯಾತ, ನಾನು ಪೂಜಾ ಮಾಡುವ ಹಾಲ್ಗೆ, ಪೂಜಾ ಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ, ವೆನ್ಯೂಕ್ಕೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನಮೋ ಅಶ್ವಿಭ್ಯಾಂ ಕೃಣುಮಃ ಅಶ್ವಯುಗ್ಭ್ಯಾಂ. ಅಶ್ವಯುಗ್ಭ್ಯಾಂ, ಎರಡು ಅಶ್ವಗಳಿಂದ ಸೇರಿರುವ ಆ ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ದೇವತೆಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? ನಮಃ, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಮ್ಮ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಮೋ ಅಶ್ವಿಭ್ಯಾಂ ಕೃಣುಮೋ ಅಶ್ವಯುಭ್ಯಾಂ ವಿಶ್ವಸ್ಯ ದೂತೌ ಅಮೃತಸ್ಯ ಗೋಪೌ ತೌ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಂ ಯುಜುಷಾಣೋಪಯಾತಾಂ ನಮೋ ಅಶ್ವಿಭ್ಯಾಂ ಕೃಣುಮೋ ಅಶ್ವಯುಭ್ಯಾಂ. So this is a beautiful Divachana mantra, all in dual number. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಇದು ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಶಾಂತಿ. ಸೊ ಯುಭ್ಯಾಂ ಸ್ವಾಹ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಹೋಮ ಡನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಮ್, ಕೃಣುಮೋ ಸ್ವಯುಭ್ಯಾಂ ಸ್ವಾಹ ಅಂತ ಸ್ವಾಹಾಕಾರ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇವರು ಕೂಡ ದೂತರ, ಆಂಜನೇಯ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ತರಹ, ಅಗ್ನಿ ತರಹ ದೂತ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಫೋಲಿಯೋ ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಯಾರು ಅಮೃತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ. ಸೊ ಅಮೃತಸ್ಯ ಗೋಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡೋರು. ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್, ಸಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಅವರ್ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ. ಸೊ ಟು ಸಚ್ ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ದೇವತಾಸ್ and Ashwini also, the wife of Ashwini, the wife of two Ashwin devatas, to all of them. And you know, nakshatra, hitherto we have not come across the name of the wife of the nakshatra devata, but here is the first time we have got the word Ashwini. So the name of the wife of Ashwin devatas mentioned here, because all gods are also family people, and so they also are being included. Just as we are doing honoring both husband and wife, we are making honor. Vedasya ivaga bari ubre alla, just ದಂಪತಿಗಳ ಗೌರವ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. So